Hi guys, at CK we're launching our programs from this Monday. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture or join our program, just call the numbers given here. You can join us for the books, mock, shortcuts, or the complete program. Just call any of the numbers given here. Hi guys, hi everyone. Today we have with us Pothak Nuri Brahma Teja. Did I am Ahmedabad people were able to pronounce your name in the interview?
Sir, surely no, sir. They were asking me what is my nickname so that they can actually hear the interview.
Or they ask
So
you
I
that?
told them, yes, sir. So
Super.
you can all call me Teja, sir.
Teja, okay, so Teja is better. Okay, Teja, the next question for you is how you used to manage your work-life balance, work and study balance rather, because you were working as well. So, because that is one problem which everyone is going to face, those who have a job or those in college. What
Yes, sir.
was your day used to look like?
Okay, sir. So initially, in the initial days of my preparation, when I actually got my job, I used to prepare in the evening. So in the morning hours, I used to work, and in the late evenings, I used to start preparing for the cat in as a whole. So what happened is, as the days progressed, I started feeling like a little bit off with respect to the cat preparation because I couldn't dedicate a lot of time to that. So what I've done is I minimize the time that I used to work and prepare during the morning hours and evening hours as well. And also to mention, so one thing I've done is in between hours also I used to do some practice, so that what happens is I'll have that change of mindset from work to cat, so that same thing might happen during the cat exam as well. That is, we move from VARC to DLR directly, so that there is a change of mindset. So this is something that I wanted to adapt initially, so I used to do that as well, sir.
Now, I can give you many other example as well. For example, one student I've just interviewed, I think he is going to IMB. He used to study in the morning every day, morning 3 4 hours every day in the morning. He used to study and then go to office. Another guy, he used to go to office and study there at the office. So everybody has their own strategy. So it's not like for a
Yes, sir.
student that they're going to follow your strategy, but this is his
That's
way.
true, sir.
You may
Yes,
be
sir.
different from your sleeping habits are not same. Everything is different. So you, as a student, you have to make your own strategy. But look at the advice of these
Yes,
people
sir.
because they have done that. It worked from them, but does not mean work for you. So you have to try your own strategy. Kind of thing.
Yes, sir. And now that we have this work from home for almost each and every job, it is like a flexible hour that we can actually study as well as work. So it completely upon us whether or not and which time to study upon. So we have got a lot of freedom, and I would say to the aspirants to have a good schedule so as to plan.
Yeah, we are all cribbing because of the lockdown. Obviously, it's a bad thing, no doubt. But this is a blessing in disguise if you're preparing for MBA. Trust
Yes,
me,
sir.
यार guys, एक बार lockdown खत्म हो गया ना, you have to go to office, handling work and this thing will become very very tough. And
That's true, sir. That's completely true.
especially if you want to travel, so like some of students have to travel 1 hour to office, so that
Yes,
problem
sir.
will come.
Yes, sir. Actually, I like reminding of the office. I would say, like in the recent times during February, when the interviews of different B schools have started, I had this like a command from my manager saying that you may probably have to come to office. Then I did go to Bangalore to have to attend my office, and that actually disrupted my little bit of preparation for my interviews. So then I realized that this lockdown, as this whole online thing, has helped people a lot, and especially me. So this is a boon, I would say, and as you mentioned, it's a relief in disguise.
Superb, superb. And now
Yes,
when
sir.
you're going to put up your papers, or you already have done that,
Sir?
when you're going to put your papers, resign from the company.
Acha, okay. I already did, sir. I already did, but then I have to talk to a manager a little bit. He was very happy initially.
So obviously, are you going to Ahmedabad? They will be happy. They have to be
Yes, sir.
more than proud feeling that one of us is going there. So there was no problem in notice period and all, or you already have resigned earlier.
No, sir. There is notice period, but then I couldn't resign earlier That is majorly because of the results. I was not very confident that I'll be getting the top three. So I was waiting for the results to be out and later convince my manager to negotiate the notice period as well. But then, sir, one thing I would say is in my work experience has helped me help me during my interview preparation as well, during the interviews as well. So not to the people who are actually having work ex, even to the people who are freshers, I would say that their major projects, their basic perspectives also matter when it comes to IIM Ahmedabad. They look at the perspectives of people, and I would say that have a different perspectives, go through different online articles in order to gain perspectives, and you can do it.
Exactly right. Where you have experience? Where you worked?
Sir, I work in Robert Bosch in electric vehicles domain. So since that is something not everyone is heard of electric vehicles, and being an associate software engineer in that domain, people were interested and intrigued by the whole electric vehicles thing. So it was a bit of on the positive side for me during my interviews, so that I can actually drive the interview wherein I wanted. So I had prepared initially only that this is something that they might ask. So I anticipated these few things and I prepared accordingly. So in few interviews as well, I got the chance of driving the interview, and I was lucky.
And I personally feel work experience also help you in preparation also. Because when, for example, if I talk about me, when I was in college, I was a different person. Ekdam relaxed, kabhi kiya, nahi kiya, na kiya. But when I started working, because of the boss and the responsibilities, I think that made me a more responsible person, and I was able to crack CAT because of that.
Yes, sir, I completely agree. Even me, I was able to manage time very much better as compared to previous me. Like, for example, if I never used to have work, I used to read for about 6 to 7 hours a day, and then take break and go through some of the other articles, go through phone and all. But then when it became mandatory that I have to work in a company, it made my schedule very tight, and in fact improved my time management skills as well. So it really helps, sir. Yeah.
Superb, superb. So in net, can you tell us how many hours you used to study every day along with the job?
Okay, along with the job, in the initial stages, I would say along with the job, 9 plus 3, 11 hours, sir. But as the days progressed and when the CAD was neared, I used to spend around 14 hours, 13 hours. Yeah.
One thing, along with the job, 14 hours study along with the job.
I got it wrong, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like I was thinking,
Along with the job, how many hours?
yeah,
Matlab,
yeah. Along with the job, I would say 6 hours. 6 hours initially, and then later it became 8 hours. But then it kind of pressurized me a bit, but then I tried to keep motivated and give it a try. Yes, sir.
wow. And the day there's no job, there's no call job, and then used to be 14 hours a day.
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा एक बार मेहनत कर लो 5 months का टाइम है तुम्हारे पास if you can do 14 hours every day you can do it you we do the our job is do the hard work tomorrow we are not able to convert or we are not able to get the question which are not we have not done we can't stop for example you said about set theory most probably there will be one set in DLR on set theory if not in
Sure.
DI in a
In
quant
quant.
can come. So this
Yeah.
one topic, if you can kill 2D, 3D, 4D, I think it's a very good chance that at least four set, one question you are done, one set is done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Teja. Thank you very much for coming and talking to us. And hopefully you do well at IIM Ahmedabad as well. And hopefully I'll see you at IIM Ahmedabad, probably in August or September. I have a course coming up which I'm going to do at IIM Ahmedabad.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the
Actually,
best.
no, my father referred your videos initially. During my starting work experience, I was finding a little difficult in finding motivation. So he once sent me through WhatsApp your video, and I felt very joyful. I mean, it was very funny. It was very motivating. Then I started subscribing you, and then started following your videos. It really helped me, sir. So guys, just follow sir's videos, and you'll be really in a good position.
Thank
That's what
you.
I can say.
Thank you, Teja. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you,
All
sir.
the best. All the best.
Thank you.
All right, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.